This solar at the gate project is the second that we're implementing. The first one is in Jamaica, and this is the second one, but the first one in Africa. We are very grateful to the European Union for the collaboration on this project. We are also very grateful to the Kenyan government, represented here by the Kenyan Civil Aviation Authority, for their leadership to be the trailblazer as far as this project is concerned.
Air conditioning ikiwa on na pia taa za ndani ya ndege zitakuwa zinawaka ama zinawakishwa na hii power ya solar. Watu wakiingia ndani ya ndege, wakifunga milango, engines zitaanzishwa na power ya hii solar system.
This is the growing market for civil aviation, and this is where the European Union is going to invest. And there's a lot of positive response from the governments in Africa, and Kenya there is a leader.